Have you ever wondered who protects your data online? When you sign up on websites, use apps, or shop online, your information is collected. But who makes sure this data is safe? That's where EU laws come in. Today, we will learn what EU laws say about privacy and data protection, how they are structured, what rules keep your data safe. What are EU laws? The European Union makes laws to protect people's rights. One of the most important rights is privacy, the right to keep your personal life safe. The EU also has data protection laws that make sure companies don't misuse your data. You have control over your personal information. Your private life stays private. Now, let's look at how privacy and data protection are structured in the EU. It's like a pyramid with different levels. Top level, global privacy rights. At the highest level, we have the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. This is a worldwide law that says privacy is a basic human right. Second level, EU privacy rights. The EU Charter of Fundamental Rights protects privacy in Europe. It says that every EU citizen has a right to privacy and personal data protection. Third level, data protection rules. Now, we go deeper into specific data protection laws in the EU. Directive 95/46/EC, this was an older law that protected personal data. Regulation 2016/679, this is the new and stronger rule for data protection. These laws help protect your privacy by giving you the right to control your data, making companies ask for permission before using your info, allowing you to delete your data from websites, keeping your private information safe from hackers. So, next time you sign up for an account, remember that EU laws protect your privacy. Now you know how privacy and data protection work under EU laws. Privacy is a right. The EU has strong rules to protect it. You have control over your data. Stay smart, stay safe, and protect your privacy. Want to learn more? Enroll in our XN Privacy and Data Protection courses. For more information, visit our website, link in the description below.